on the bus at the airport. I just parked the car, and now we are on our way to fly out this morning, about lunchtime, so it's a late start for us today, and on our way to Rovaniemi in Finland, Lapland, Finland, to have a look at some snow, probably. Just left the airport, and there's a little bit of snow around. It's my first time driving in Finland. I've driven on worse snow than this in Iceland, so I'm sure it's fine. I think we're going to get some more snow later. Just heading down to our chalet, and it's good actually. I thought we were going to be in the dark when we got here, but actually we got here a little bit early, so it's still light, so that's a real bonus. So we've just arrived, and I don't know what that is. Changing area.
Aww. Put lights on.
I don't know, put lights on. Yes. What is it? Oh yeah, what is that?
It's a little sauna. It's not a hot tub, it's a sauna.
First things first.
Got snow on the ground.
Ooh, this is nice. Yeah.
Oh.
Look at that. It's got an upstairs.
Two more things upstairs.
We might sleep right there.
Snow.
So that's good then. Right.
Got a window up there.
That's useful.
Yep.
We have we've been to the chalet, absolutely gorgeous, lovely little place, looks lovely. So we've unpacked, changed, and now we're going to go down to the local petrol station.
And there's a market as well.
And there's a little
Food,
market, yeah.
food.
In the hunt for food. We say petrol station because in Iceland it's very common to get food from the petrol station in the middle of nowhere. And we're a little bit away from the town at the moment, so it's about a 45-minute walk. And because we've been travelling all day, we're just going to walk down to hopefully a local shop and hopefully get some food because I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
Take the sledges down
Sledge,
there.
yeah, you can get in the sledge. Yeah. In the petrol station, and just having a hot dog, and rather yummy actually. So cost about how much? About $3.95. So it's food. I need to eat. I take you all to the best places, don't I?
it's 9:10 in the evening now, so we've walked down to the petrol station, got some food. That was nice. I had a hot dog. Just come back, sat out on our balcony and had a small beer, and we had a yoghurt. We couldn't help but buy some Icelandic yoghurt, just because that's what we do when we're in cold places. It was just a creatures of habit. So we're just going to go back into the chalet now and see what that's like. Yeah, warm up, yeah, because it's cold. But what's the temperature?
Like -10 or
-10,
something?
yeah, it's not too bad though. I'm actually quite warm, got the right clothes on, so it's fine. So we're going to go back in and see what the sauna's like.